Today is Monday. It's February 27th. We have a few days until March. Today we are doing a what I eat in a week. I honestly don't eat that like fancy of foods, but I know you guys love videos like this, so I figured we should do another one. So for breakfast today, I'm gonna be making a sandwich that has like bacon and eggs, but also we're gonna have some bloom. I have the flavor mango. This is like a superfoods green powder blend, so you just put this in like a drink. This is really helpful for like gut health, bloating, and you get a lot of nutrients. I've been drinking this every day for the past week. I feel like I have a lot more energy, and I have, not gonna lie, been shitting a lot more, but I honestly should more often. So far this has just helped me be a little bit more regular in my using number 2 cycle, so definitely check it out. I'll have it linked down below. This mango flavor is so good, and I prefer drinking this with orange juice. I think it just tastes better. Toaster. Haha, you thought I was gonna juggle. This is the whole wheat bread from Whole Foods. I like eating whole wheat bread more than other breads. Like white bread, it tastes too soft. Wheat bread tastes perfect. And other grains like whole grains or anything with those fibers, like the thick pieces, are just too crunchy for me. Don't mind how dirty my pan is. This is my favorite pan. I will actually put her to use. It's like ripping. Voila, here's the final product. I love eating this, especially the mayo and sriracha. Today bien. Ta-da! You guys gotta have this. My heater's on if you guys hear it. Usually I wake up at like 10:30 and then I eat around, honestly I'd say like 11:30 to noonish. Today was noonish. This is technically lunch, so I have lunch and then I have dinner at like 6 or 7. So I usually only eat 2 meals a day. Sometimes I eat 3 meals a day, sometimes I don't. I feel like I can only eat 2 meals a day if I wake up really late. Look at my new hat. Yeah, if you guys watched my channel last year, y'all know what time it is. Can you guys guess? Not Coachella, guys. I'm not going to Coachella this year. I'm not going to Coachella that I know of, at least. But I am going to EDC this year. Just wanted to like let y'all know officially. That happens in May, but I actually got this hat for the Bahamas because I have the white one and I absolutely love it. So I went ahead and bought this brown one. Miss Chloe wants to say hi. You want a snack? She loves pepperonis. Sit, shake, high five, spin, spin. Sit. Bang! Bang! Spin! I meant to say roll over. Sit. Kiss. Good job! Bravo. Stand. Oh, good job. Guys, she can stand for so long. It's insane. Oh my god. Like, I kid y'all not, she could probably stand for like a good minute. See how good she is? Good job. Such a good girl. And that is all for today, folks. And just like that, it's time for dinner. Today, we're gonna make some pizza. These are crusts that you guys can get from like a grocery store. I like buying these because I don't have to make the crust. Like, it's already pre-made and it's really easy. And on top of that, they literally have ultra thin crust. I usually get those, but today they ran out. So I'm just gonna use the original crust. Enjoy!
He said she's kinda fake too. Lady doesn't like conversation. Let me have shade, Mrs. Baby. Concentrate on what I gotta do, and yes, I'm blaming you too. No crown, it did as yesterday.
She's getting way too big. Voila. I can eat because they look cuter like on the plate, but I'm definitely eating 3. The red onions, the jalapenos. I'm a chef for real, y'all. So today Char's getting her hair done by my mom, so I'm gonna go to my mom's shop and hang out. And honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but I did order these 2 lippies and I got them on Amazon, and I want to show you guys how they look like because I'm like really excited. They're supposed to be like jelly lip glosses kind of. I got one in snow pink and the other one in strawberry. I'm gonna try strawberry today, but I'm really excited about these lippies because I'm a huge fan of any Korean lip products because I just think they have better like shades, better colors. Ooh. Whoa, you guys see that? I only put it like on the inner parts. That looks so pretty. I feel like it just made my lips look so plumped. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights not 너무 싫어.
Who's he texting? Wait, let him Look at Char's hair. Yeah, it looks so good. Currently at a restaurant called King Thai.
I saw your location now.
She said chef's kiss. Oui, oui.
사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야 알아 멍청해.
Good morning, guys. Today I have my first session of therapy and I'm really excited, but I think I'm just nervous because it's a Zoom call and I hate Zoom calls. But what are you doing? Anyways, wish me luck. We're gonna make a sandwich again. I don't want any of my bacon to go bad. But today I had my first therapy session. It was really good. Like, I've done collaborations with BetterHelp before and I know therapy is really good for people, and you know, I tried it. I'm just really happy that I'm like putting an effort for myself, my mental health. Oh shit, Danny's calling me.
Ew, it's fully cooked.
So it is 6:04 and now it's time for dinner. You guys know dinner is my favorite meal of the day. Today I'm gonna be making some Korean rice balls. For today's rice balls, I'm gonna be using Spam and kimchi. I've never made this before, but it looks so good. Also, I really don't like my hair or my makeup today. But yeah, let's just get cooking. Here's the first set of balls. I made like 6 big ones and then 3 little ones, but then I also made these ones. This one has the green onions and the other one doesn't. I was gonna put green onions in all of them, but then I completely forgot to put it in the first batch. We're gonna watch some Netflix while I eat. First ball. This is so good. What should I watch? Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! New episodes! I've been watching Perfect Match. It's pretty good. Like, you guys need to watch it. No, Chloe. I totally forgot. I also got this drink and it is a jasmine green tea plus milk. I really like jasmine, like green tea, milk teas, like, you know what I mean? Like jasmine tea with milk. So I saw this and it was so cute, and also like it's my flavor, so we'll see if I like it. Can you like help me? I can't get it. Florrie, why is this so hard? Okay. Oopsies. This tastes like boba. That is good. That is really good. Alright guys, so welcome to Thursday and Friday. I am running out of storage on my laptop, so let's just do a little voiceover moment. For Thursday breakfast, I just ate my leftovers, you know. Gotta eat leftovers. And then for dinner, I actually went to go have some dinner with my mom. We went to Sushi Tango, which is one of our favorite places to eat because number one, delicious. Number two, I love their seafood la. It's so good. You guys just have to try it, but it's me and my mom's favorite spot to eat. Then for Friday, it was actually my friend's birthday party today, so I didn't cook at all today. I just ate leftovers for breakfast. But of course, we can't forget post notification shoutouts. Today's post notification shoutout goes to Desiree. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. And of course, if you guys want a post notification shoutout, all you guys have to do is comment Buttercup and of course, be subscribed, like the video. That being said, I will see you guys in another video. Bye! Mwah!
I think I'm crazy.